My name is Áron Virginás. I'm presenting a demo of the Unreal and Unity plugins for Arm ASR, which is a temporal upscaler optimized for mobile. So as I said, we have two plugins. This is the one for Unreal Engine. It supports Unreal Engine 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5 currently. Others are in development. It's currently showing Mori, which is a game developed by Arm in-house, and it's running it with Arm ASR upscaling at a 50% screen ratio, which means that we render the image at 50% of the final resolution, and then we upscale it using Arm ASR to the final resolution. On the other side, we have the Unity plugin, which wasn't actually released yet. The Unreal one is already available on the Fab Store and on GitHub to download and play with. The Unity one is not yet available, but we are also showing that. This is just showing a sample scene. For Unity, we don't have a proper game as we have for Unreal, so it's just showing the sample scene with Arm ASR running again at 50% resolution. Similar settings, essentially the same settings as the Unreal one. The Unreal one just implements Unreal's API for upscalers, so that's a bit more user-friendly, so to say. The Unity one, for that we had to modify URP, so you will have to install, besides the actual Arm ASR package, this one. So besides the actual Arm ASR package, you have to install our modified version of URP for it to work with Unity. But it's still fairly user-friendly. It's just 2 clicks more than on Unreal, and that will soon be available as well for downloading, probably on GitHub as far as I remember. So yeah, that's it. I think in a nutshell. We also have it on the phone. So this is running the same thing, an Unreal version of the Mori game with Arm ASR, 50% resolution, so 2x upscaling with Vulkan. Yeah, also worth mentioning, we support Vulkan and Glass for mobile, and then on the desktop, on the editors, we support DirectX 12, 11, and Vulkan. Yeah, that's about it in a nutshell, I think.